adjusting brightness with plus and minus. It's in full brightness. Now I can turn down to a minimum and up again. If I want to go to full brightness, I can press 0. Full brightness. I can change colors with all the numbers. So we have red, green, blue, yellow, magenta, cyan, some amber color, and some bluish green colors, and white. And let's put it back to red. Then I can change mode with the next and previous button. If I press next, it blinks 2 times because it's in mode 2, and now it blinks. And again, I can still choose color, whatever color I want. Let's put it back to red. And with the 100, plus 100 and minus 100, no, it's just plus 100 and plus 200 buttons, I can change the blinking speed, making it go faster, and making it go slower. It goes between 10 times a second and once every 3 seconds. Let's put it back. And of course here you can choose the brightness with the plus and minus. Yeah, change the brightness. Now the last mode blinks 3 times for mode 3. It will crossfade between different colors using sine waves, and it not only just uses sine waves, it uses sine waves to change the phase. So the colors will change with sine waves, and the phase changes again with a sine wave. And if I press next again, it will go back to mode 1 and just shine whatever color was present at that time. And I can change the color again. That's it for the demo.